The Barclays app. How to register on an Android device. You'll need a UK mobile number, your Barclays debit or credit card, and card PIN to register. Once you've downloaded the app from your App Store, tap I have a Barclays account to get started. Choose a passcode that can't be guessed easily. You'll need to enter the passcode twice to confirm it. For your security, never tell anyone your passcode. You can also use your face or fingerprint login. We'll show you how to switch on face or fingerprint login in this video. Read through the terms and conditions, and if you're happy, tap to accept them. Select No if you haven't registered for the Barclays app on any other device. If you've registered before, see our video Already Registered for the app instead. Select your Barclays debit or credit card from the list. Then, to use your contactless Visa card to register for the app, select Tap My Card. You can also type in your card details manually by selecting Type in Card Details. Place your card so it touches the back of your phone and move it up and down. You might need to remove your phone case to make it easier to scan your card. Once your card details have been scanned, they'll appear on your screen like this. Tap Continue. Enter your mobile number. Tap Done. Then tap Continue. Enter it again to confirm and tap Done, followed by Continue. Once your details have been confirmed, you'll need to enter your card PIN for the debit or credit card you already entered. And that's it. Your registration will be complete. Now you can explore the app and check your push notification settings. These will make sure you see important updates that are relevant to you. To log in with your face, fingerprint or iris, switch on Biometrics in your device settings. Select More on your homepage, then go to Settings. In the Login and Security section, select Biometric Login. Now you can switch on biometrics to log into the app using your face or fingerprint.